Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and this is the brand new HUAWEI. And now I'm going to show you how to install Google Play services, how to use applications that need Google Play services to work properly on your device. And I'm going to show you how to do that only in 2 steps, and it's very easy to do. Let's go. Step number 1, install Google services. To do that, just open AppGallery. As you can see, I have an even old version of AppGallery. It's just device after factory reset, just to show you how to do that from the very beginning. And find here MicroG. MicroG is available on your device. So just find MicroG, click install, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In my case, it's the password, and it will install 2 applications: MicroG Service and MicroG Companion. Okay, cool. We have installed Google Play services. Now wait for installing of MicroG Service. It can take about 30 seconds. Then click Open. Click Google Accounts. Add Google account. Sign in. Here, enter your email. Okay. And enter your password. Then click Next. Of course, it will send verification to your smartphone, so as you can see, it's just normal Google verification, and it works. Now click Next. I agree, and that's it, as you can see. Now all Google services will work, except Google Pay and Google Feed. But now we want to install all applications, but we like to use Google Play Store because it's handy, it's just good, right? So how to install it? Unfortunately, there is no way to install officially Google Play Store, but we can install the best alternative that use Google Play Store API. How to do that? Just open AppGallery and try. So this is the method number 1, and just as you can see, my Microsoft Swift keyboard works not so good. Okay, so and find here Aurora Store. Aurora Store. And as you can see, there is no Aurora Store available in my country, so there is no way to install it through the official AppGallery. So I should find it in the App Store. In the internet. So I suggest you open Aurora Store. So search for Aurora Store, and find it not in APK Pure, but on F Droid website. There is a lot of ads as in APK Pure. So scroll down. Here you'll find download F Droid. Don't click this blue button, please. This is the ad. So scroll down, and here you'll find download APK. Click on it, then confirm. Click in download. It will download an application and automatically open the download APK file. Click allow, install, wait a while, and click open. And now just check it. Click next, click grant, checkbox, select checkbox allow app installs, then click external storage manager, allow, go back, background downloads, allow, disable, app APK links, disable, enable, go back, click finish. Cool. Click Google for test only. In my case, I need to select my email. You should select yours. Click allow. And cool, that's it. Here we have Google Play Store without the ads. It's not like HUAWEI AppGallery or APK Droid or APK Pure or IDK or AppDown or something, right? There is just pure Google Play Market. And for example, we want to install, okay, my keyboard is not so good. As you can see, maybe the first thing I should do is just to reinstall the keyboard. Maybe I will switch my keyboard if you have some problem, so I showing you the fix. So just find Swift keyboard in the settings, default keyboard, and switch to Saria keyboard. It's even worse than Microsoft keyboard, but it works. Okay, we have it. Now open Aurora Store again, and as you can see, keyboard works. I don't know why Microsoft Swift keyboard even exists. And now let's find, for example, calendar. And click install. And now I'll just gonna show you how install process looks like. So you just click in install and confirming installation. This is just one additional step. Now click OK, allow calendar access, allow, and as you can see, it constantly just connected with my Google account. As you can see, here is my Google account, and it just works. It just works. So what's the next? Next we can install, for example, a Google keyboard, maybe. Okay, maybe I've just accidentally fixed that. Okay, so for example, I wanna download Google Maps and Google Sheets. And as you can see, the downloading process is very easy, and it works. It's connecting to my Google account, and it works perfectly. Even Google Maps, if I will, it's connected to my Google account, as you can see instantly. While only allow this time, reload, and as you can see, it works. It works, and it works really cool. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video, just to make this video more popular and reach more people with HUAWEI devices. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.